here for Altenew. Today I'll be using the 36 pan watercolor set and the gorgeous flower garden stamp set for my card. I already went ahead and heat embossed several flowers, floral vines and leaves on lightweight Canson watercolor paper with pure white embossing powder. I have used clear embossing ink for stamping. I'll link all the products that are available at the Altenew store in the description box below and also in the coordinating blog post, the link to which is also in the description box. To color, I'll start by applying water to the entire flower generously, very generously, and then drop in color. I will spread this around so that there's a light color wash. Now this is totally up to you how dark of a color wash you want, as this will be your base layer. Once I am happy with the layer of color wash, I'll go back in while the flower is still wet and drop in concentrated pigment closer to the base of the petal. I'll keep doing this, as in coming back in and adding darker, more concentrated pigment till I'm happy with the look. I'll let the water do most of the work, so remember to keep this as wet as possible. The color I'm using is crimson, by the way. I'll put on some music, enjoy the coloring process. I'll list the colors that I'm using on the screen and also a little bit of steps and tips that I will be sharing along the way. here you can see all my images fussy cut. I colored the rest of them just like I did the red one. And now I'll arrange them on my card front, which is just a single one layer card base. I also popped a sentiment from the Sentiment Strips stem set and thought the card needed a few black paint splatters because it was looking really bland. And that's it, my card is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.